So now we have come to a very critical point in our event. We will be talking about what must we do to support this initiative, this new IIPC Canada that we are seeing today. But before that, I need you to see and pay attention to what IIPC has already achieved. It is not a new project. It is not a project which is small or is lost in the woods or nobody knows about it. It is well known. A lot of work has already been done. A lot of things are already in play. And what you will see today, what we need the commitment from before the end of the night is how do we take it forward together. So at this point, Brother Fawad Gilani will be presenting us a presentation about the ongoing work that is being done in IIPC, followed by his 2026 vision. Oh, please join us. Followed by his 2026 vision, and then he will stay with me here as we talk about what can we do together.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you today. It's a pleasure seeing the crowd full today. So, first of all, I want to thank Brother Muhammad Shaikh, who's visiting all the way from Pakistan. The other thing is, I also want to welcome my brothers and sisters who are visiting us from Australia, from US, from Europe, and of course, all of you from Canada. I welcome all of you with an open heart here. I have known him since I think I was 18 years old. I started my life career and the journey with him in the Quran at the same time. I would think I was 18 or 19 years old. But what I want to mention here is, since 1985 when he started his mission, he started from a small place. I think it was in Tariq Road in Karachi, in a small center. Those who have, I have a guest here. I do want to mention Brother Ashraf. He's sitting in the front seat over here, if the camera can point on him. You have been with him initially, if I believe you mentioned to me 12 years, constantly during the research phase, in the initial research phase with him. So that is incredible. He's very difficult for him to walk, but he's come all the way from Texas over here. So you can imagine that. So the journey started in a small place where it was individual discussions. And what Brother Anik said, that the footprint has increased significantly. A picture can speak 1,000 words. So you can see that picture of what Brother Muhammad Shaikh has achieved. But that's the worldly achievement. The actual achievement is what Allah thinks. So all of you, please keep that in mind. And when we started the journey with him, and if I remember correctly, I give you this example. I have to say this, and please understand where I'm coming from. Since the age of 18 till today, he has never asked me for a donation, for any monetary benefit. Never. I can tell you that. But that's him. I am going to ask you for monetary donation. All right? But before I do that, I want to show you something. And this is what I want to show you. So if you look on the TV screen right now, I'm going to show you this small IIPC TV app we recently made. You see this? It's going to come up. I'm playing it live right now. This is our IIPC TV app. So all of you have a phone over here right now. I would request you go to your phone app and download it. It takes hardly 1 minute. I think there are probably 100 people over here. And once you've downloaded, I give you 1 minute. Download it, please. And I'll show you something. You have it? Perfect. Now when you want to play it, I want you to play it. Please go ahead. All the ladies also. I know everyone has a phone. You play on Instagram and TikToks. Watch this. Come on, Mustafa. You can do that. Are you able to play it, sir? Perfect. The reason I asked him to play was, once you download the app, you have to log in. You have to register. Make sure you register and you log in. In this app, I'm just giving you an overview what has done. If you look on the bottom side or even on the three screens, home, Quran, prayer times, Qibla, English video on demand, Urdu video on demand, English booklets, Urdu booklets. You can contact us, how you can help us, Ansar Allahs, follow us, and your own profile. Right? So I'm just going to show you live TV right now. The audio is not going to play, right?
Intercessor, the messenger can say something.
All right. So this is live.
That saying whatever he's saying.
This is running 24/7 directly on your phone app. All right? You can like it on the bottom left hand. You can put bookmark it and you can add. So right now, I can see that Brother Azim Kamal, Sohail Ahmad, and Majid Shahrukh have liked it and put a comment over there. You can see that also. All right? How many of you did not knew already, and I think a lot of people don't know about this, that this app, you have live information. On the bottom of this, you will see, scroll down, there are new lectures. The ones on the top is continue watching what I have been watching. Then you have new releases. The latest one he gave recently a lecture in Pakistan. And this meeting, what we have here, is not exactly that, but it's a follow-up of that. If you notice, he's wearing ihram in this one. So when you go home, do watch that. And I think if I give an opportunity, I don't want to say on behalf of Brother Muhammad Shaikh, but he will, when he comes here to speak a little bit and meet you guys, then he will explain what he was doing and why he was doing that. All right? I just wanted to share you this app right now. All the latest lectures, everything is in here. Similarly, on the bottom, you will see I'm just clicking and going through this app for you, explaining to you. Some people have been asking, where is the money going? This is just one avenue. Now here is the booklets. Slowly it's going to load, but it will show you all the booklets on your phone related to all the lectures. You have access this on the website. Now you have it on your phone. It's directly from the phone. All right? So these are all your booklets. This is about IIPC Canada. Some people ask me, okay, prayer times. So we can connect once I have the data and I will connect it. That's for the prayer times. You can connect Qibla direction, right? I'm on the phone, on the laptop right now, so I don't know what it will do. But it tells you that also. So some general facilities also. Quran research. We have a website, the-quran.org. This is showing you the website. You can by root word, every single ayat. How many, almost all translations in the world are there for you. Do your own research if you want. In Urdu, English, French, German, whatever languages you want. That's a website. In fact, this was the first website built in 1996, where we started off our footprint. So this is just one avenue I was trying to show that we have done. Now, we also have Apple TV. I don't know how many you have Apple TV at home, but you can go in and download our app on Apple TV also, and you will see all the lectures in there. Just like you're watching Netflix or Amazon Prime. You have IIPC TV on your Apple TV. You have it on Android TV. You have it on Fire TV. You have it on Roku. What else is there? OTT platforms, Jadoo TV, in over here where they have all these IPTV channels and boxes, set-top boxes. You have it available in there. Look for it. So these are some of the things which have been done and IPC Canada has been doing online. Now, one of the most critical things which I think other than this is online courses. We have started an online Quran college, university you call it. It's like a 3-year certification course that you have watched and understood all the lectures. There is a catch over there though. There is a color-coded Quran which Brother Muhammad Shaikh worked on. Now this color-coded Quran is very different than what you have in the market. It has all the grammatical colors, nouns, verbs, feminine, masculine, by color coding. So in that online course, the teacher over here, by the way, is sitting, Brother Azim Kamal. He and his sister have graciously, in Urdu and English, they are educating us on what those colors mean so that when you read the Quran in Arabic, you will be able to understand and get a sense, oh, this is a noun, this is a verb, and all those kinds. So that is there. So we have an online course for that. At the same time, those lectures are also in that online course with the color-coded Quran. So you can also understand the message and the color-coded Quran itself. All right? Okay. There is also, we have a license in Canada for a TV channel, CRTC license. So when we are broadcasting 24/7, we have a licensed TV channel. But we don't have the funds to put it on Rogers or Bell or whatever services there is. I mean, those are expensive things. We are talking about hundreds and thousands of dollars. What I'm showing you is all the funds we are getting, right? And I can tell you right now, we have been receiving donations, and some of you might know it's called crowdfunding. I don't know if you guys are aware of it. People are donating us $5, $10, $15. There are some who are donating 20, 30, 100, maybe a few, 1,000 or 2,000 or maybe 5,000. But generally, I'm telling you, that's the called crowdfunding, all right? So, in essence, these are some of the things which we have done so far. In addition, I'm not even talking about what Brother Alam has done at the center, and I would invite all of you to come and visit our center at 132 Main Street South, Rockwood, Ontario, and take a look at it. It was a completely torn down building where it has been made from scratch almost. I think literally from scratch rather than almost. Literally from scratch. And we have now a very nice, beautiful place. It's not a mosque, it's a center, it's an office space where we also have Friday prayers, congregations. You are all invited to come over there on Fridays. Every Saturday, there is a 3 o'clock, I think 3 p.m., if I'm not wrong. Okay. So we have 3 p.m. every Saturday, a session where we are playing the lectures and you can come and sit and watch with us. What he just told me is very interesting, that Brother Muhammad Shaikh is here for another, I think, a couple of months at least. He is available at the center Monday through Saturday. Make an appointment. You can call Brother Alam, Muhammad over here. You can you can email us, contact us, and get an appointment and come and meet him. He is there on Friday, he's there on Saturdays, he's there Monday through Saturday basically, straight, right? So this is, it is very interesting, by the way, the stature of, I know you guys probably have feeling that if you go to an organization, a chairman, honorary chairman, they're big, big people. Can you meet big people? Can you meet any president and all these kinds of people? Can you? No, right? Brother Muhammad Shaikh is there sitting, waiting for you to come and meet. Open. And it's not just you. Anyone, Muslim, non-Muslim, whatever denomination you are, most welcome. And even after he goes here, you are still welcome. And come over and engage with us and watch with us and learn from whatever you can. So this is at the moment in time. I don't want to take any more. I think I've spoken quite a bit. One thing we will discuss, and Brother Qazi will do that, is this is what I showed you the online footprint right now, what I did. Right? We have a YouTube channel where Brother Muhammad Shaikh has more than 200,000 subscribers, 196,000 subscribers, 502,000 followers on Facebook. IIPC Canada has more than 87,000 followers on Facebook and in YouTube, 296,000 followers on Facebook and 87,000 followers on YouTube. This is for IIPC. So we have two channels here. One is Brother Muhammad Sheikh's channel and one is IIPC Canada. We are running both of them. And you have all the lectures. We have some views, and I want to say this. There was a big debate. I don't know how many of you know about it. Abdul Baqi debate. How many of you have watched that? Raise your hands. It's in Urdu. So I expect. That's more than 2.7 million views on his channel, 1.7 views, 7 million on YouTube on IIPC. And there is somebody, individual on YouTube who uploaded it long time ago. He has more than 5 million views on that debate. And it's still going on, and that's like unbelievable debate. So this is all I wanted to say at this moment on what has been achieved. With the vision, one thing I do want to say, because I have to say the vision now. What we are looking forward is artificial intelligence. You have heard this term AI. So think about it. Our goal is to promote and make the message of Allah known. I did not want to do this, but I'll give you a quotation of the Quran. وَإِذْ أَخَذَ اللَّهُ مِيثَاقَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ لَتُبَيِّنُنَّهُ لِلنَّاسِ وَلَا تَكْتُمُونَهُ فَنَبَذُوهُ وَرَاءَ ظَهِيرٍ فَبِئْسَ مَا يَشْتَرُونَ. Allah and when we took a covenant from those who have been given the book. Can I ask a question? How many of you have the book and believe you have been given the book? Raise your hands, please. Every single one? You've not been given the book? You don't have the book? You have the book? Yes. So Allah took a covenant from those who have been given the book to make it known to mankind. So mankind, whenever there is, it is our job that we have been given the book to make it known. Now he's given the lectures, he's educated us, what is in the book, he's making it known. As an individual, he's brought us here. What have we done? And that is what I'm trying to say, is taking that same message in different languages. All the mankind speak different languages, not just English, Urdu, German, French, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic. We want to convert that in his own voice using AI. And that's our Vision 2026. We want to create a chatbot, artificial AI chatbot. You know, Chat GPT, you type a question. Okay, I want to know about marriage. Who should I get married to? The moment you type that, you should have the lectures and the ayats, what have been delivered by Brother Muhammad Shaikh. You will see that. All the ayats which he has delivered on that topic. That's AI, through artificial intelligence. Again, that's the second project. So this is our target for next year. And I think that's the vision we were looking for. And it's very expensive, it's very tedious, and we are looking for any kind of help. And trust me, when we say help, it doesn't only mean monetary. Maybe somebody is so brilliant, he's able to convert something free of cost. I'll give you an example. Somebody approached me. This brother is not here. He's passed away during COVID. Brother Shariar, he was one of our directors. He came to me and says, Fawad, we can put it on Roku, And Brother Alam come and we talked to him. The guy said $3,000 a month, US dollars a month, for Roku TV. I looked at it, I contacted Brother Asif Imam, he's the director, sitting there on the corner. He's a brilliant programmer, he did it for free. You don't have money, you have the expertise. Do it. That's what we're looking for. It's not the money I'm not after. We don't need it. It's your expertise. We want to convey the message and make it known. So join us in that. And that's what my vision is. Right? Thank you very much, everybody.
A big round of applause for Brother Fawad for all the work that these directors have done. We always obviously are very grateful and to the gracious, honored Brother Muhammad Shaikh, but there are so many volunteers here also. Some of the sisters here who have taken so much care of the center, of him while he's here, and among other things, and all the volunteers and organizers here. Now, taking a cue from you, you've already said most of anything that I was going to say, and we are standing between them and dinner and Brother Muhammad Sheikh's interactive session, so we got to make it quick. Okay? All right. So you were saying you have a vision and you have all of these things that you have done wonderfully. Now you need the community. Now you need the community to support you, support IIPC, support Brother Muhammad Sheikh's vision, and make it happen. Now, like he said, we want your participation. We want new leaders. We want young, new leaders to come up. And it's not about, yes, like he said, we are a crowdfunding organization. We work on $5, $10 per month, $20 per month, and we love it. Thank you. Thank you. And we love some of the big guys, like Brother Anik over here. He keeps pointing at him. We love the big guys, but we also want your participation. Basically, we understand that once you start putting your money where your mouth is, your interest goes there, your passion goes there, your mind travels in that direction. So what we're going to ask you is to please use the pledge forms, which are supposed to be here somewhere. Brother, where is the pledge forms? Asif?
Brother Safdar will distribute them.
Okay.
Yes.
Brother Safdar, please distribute the pledge forms. What we want is for you to tell us. We are not one of those organizations which is going to do a lot of pressure, but we want you to write down and tell us what you can do, not only in terms of the 5, 10, 50, 100, or whatever dollars per month contribution, but more importantly, what skill can you bring to this IIPC Brother Muhammad Shaikh project? It is very important that what you see is we are global. What you see, what you heard is millions of views. What you saw is hundreds and thousands of followers. But now we need to make it happen together. So we need your skills. We need your support. We need it both now. So please, Brother, please can you start distributing the forms for those who raise their hands? And you may quietly give us a skill or a donation, or you may publicly raise your hand, which we love, so you can inspire others and tell us what you can think of doing. And I'll point to you, brother. I think you have a public declaration here that you want to not even raise your hand, but go ahead and please say, I'm going to give you this. Keep it very close to your...
You have to turn it on.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. I love this. I feel the love. Inshallah, God willing, for 2026, for this project, I'll commit 10,000.
Thank you very much. Jazakallah.
Anybody wants to raise their hands and tell us? Okay, here we go. Brother.
Please.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishaq Jan. I'll contribute. Sorry about that. I'll contribute $5,000.
Woo! Wonderful. Jazakallah.
And let me do this also. Brother Ishaq has an amazing restaurant, Cafe Di Khan. Please let everybody know in Mississauga and Oakville. So you are all requested to, sorry? Cafe Di Khan.
Cafe Di Khan.
Yes. It's from Karachi. It's one of the oldest restaurants in Karachi. Amazing food. Go for it. Maybe he'll increase from 5 to 50.
We have it in Dallas also. Wonderful
Yes.
food.
Brother Salman.
Brother Salman.
Brothers, can you give him the mic? Oh,
Hello.
Ji.
15,000.
15,000.
Oh my God. Please tell us your name.
Please, your
Please
name.
tell us your name, sir.
Okay, no name.
No names. Thank you so
Jazak.
much. We are honored. Jazakallah.
Salman.
Salman.
Brother Salman. Please raise your hand if you want to pledge anything.
I'll inshallah contribute 25,000.
Oh,
MashaAllah. Jazakallah. 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 These are big numbers. I know it's very difficult to raise your hand for, I'll contribute $50, but we would love to hear from the young guys here, the ladies here. Oh, there we go. There's
there's a lady there. Write it down.
Assalamualaikum. I put $1,000 for
Thank you.
$2,000.
Thank you. Jazakallah.
Anyone else? Oh, please. $500.
$500.
Amazing.
Thank you. Jazakallah. They started the center without having all the funds in the bank, and they made it. They did it.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. They can do this, inshallah. Okay. If there is no more hands, and if everybody who wanted a form has received it, anybody who wanted a form has not received it? Okay, there's somebody here. Okay.